My name is Engineer Emmanuel Agboola. I'm the on-site project engineer for LPVS and equally the production manager for LPVT, producing solar panels. Okay, the reason why we decided to initiate the 3.8 megawatt solarization project is the fact that we believe as a totally renewable energy company, there is a need to actually demonstrate this renewable part of our business, and not just to solve our problem, but also to solve the gap in power availability within the community where we serve. And when we started, we wanted to use our own panel, our own engineers. We wanted to tell our story by trying to look at what are the different experiences most industries face using fossil fuel, high cost of energy. So in the last 1 year, we've had our own fair share of that experience using a 1.4 megawatt generator as a backup to the grid. And we have demonstrated that, okay, the cost impact as well as the carbon footprint. And in order to reduce this impact, we have engaged in this 3.8 megawatt project. Our whole requirement is just 600 kilowatt peak, while the balance of the power will go into a special contract we have with the distribution company to offtake this excess power and solve the power gap within the community where we serve. Okay, the partnership between us and FIXR is, I would say, it is a balanced, symbiotic partnership, in the sense that FIXR has demonstrated and they have proven to be one of our major partners in the business, not just of taking our panels, but also providing critical technical services where needed. And for this project, we partnered with FIXR because they have a track record of previous installation in which they have demonstrated quality. And also, one thing about FIXR and LPVTS is the fact that we prioritize quality above every other thing. And so this actually makes it easy for us to do business together. The first thing that would first of all catch your attention is the fact that the guys deployed to site are young guys. They are very, very young. And when you engage with them, you see and you'll be amazed at the level of their experience. And looking at the site team, I see a very complete team. A team that comes to your site as a team leader, as a QHSA person, somebody in charge of the material quality inspection, another person is in charge of the safety of the team. And also, another key thing that I see on the FIXR team is their adherence, strict adherence to personal protective equipment. They come with their PPEs, all complete, and they display professionalism during and even after. And finally, when they leave site, they don't just leave the site without doing proper cleaning. So they clean before and after. So it is, I would say, a very balanced and professional team. So it makes it easy for us to be able to work together, to share, best practice. And I think this project will be one of the high points in the total solarization or industrial solarization of this space. So I would say gone are the days when you look abroad for power solution in the business. For industries like ours, we've been able to demonstrate a 3.8 megawatt installation, which is powering our entire system. And industrial machines, our utilities, our facility, they are all on solar. And for industries like ours, it is very imperative for us to be able to reduce the impact that energy costs on the bottom line, and also to be totally integrated. There is a need to actually switch to solar, because in terms of cost saving, in terms of the compliance to environmental carbon reduction, and also for the health and safety generally, and the payback period is very, very low. So it actually is an investment in which you allow the sun to pay your energy bills.